Let's go Japanese with this crispy, juicy, and spicy recipe, Katsu Curry. Let's start cooking. To make sure that our pork chops are really juicy, we will brine our pork chops. So, ito siya, dapat gawin mo ahead of time. So, I have 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. So you do this overnight or at least an hour before preparing your pork chops. So what we will do now is we will remove our pork chops from the brine solution, put it on paper towels. And what we will do, we have to score the pork, the taba. Diba sometimes when we're cooking pork chops, nagka-curl, nagiging cup. So ito, you have to score nating plastic wrap over our pork chops. And you can use a meat mallet or ito, mas madali, mas simple yung likod ng inyong kutsilyo. And you just have to pound to flatten your pork chops hanggang maging manipis siya, no? At maging malapad. No? And ito, dapat may plastic para hindi tumalsik yung moisture nating pork chops all over the place. No? So we're doing something na if you're craving Japanese food at home, you can do it yourself. And we are making a batter. Di ba usually, tinuturo natin flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Pero yung gagawin natin, no egg batter tayo. But I am combining, very simple, flour and cornstarch, seasoned with salt and pepper. Mix, mix, mix. And we will add our water. No? You can also use chicken stock if you want. Just combine our pork chops. We will season with salt and pepper as well. Light lang, not too much. And to achieve the restaurant quality cut, so very important, we use Japanese breadcrumbs. So ito, meron tayo dito. Ating favorite Good Life Bread Crumbs. Yan. We'll create a very nice golden crust, no? Golden and crispy. Dapat by batch ka lang maglagay para hindi masayang, no? And we will just coat our pork chops in our batter and coat in our breadcrumbs. So, pwede kang gumawa ng marami nito ahead of time and keep it in the freezer. It makes your fried meat crunchy on the outside and locks in the juicy goodness in every bite. And now, kasi Katsu Curry yung gagawin natin yung ating curry. Very simple. Huwag na natin pahirapan yung sarili natin. And I'm just using chicken stock. Pwede din water. And I will just add a little bit of potatoes and carrots. Bring that to a boil. We are using Japanese curry na nabibili siya sa mga Japanese and Korean stores. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. So, our oil is already hot and our vegetables are almost cooked. I will just add my instant Japanese curry from the Japanese store or Korean store. Marami to. Yan, just add it here. Let it dissolve and it will be ready. Sobrang dali lang. Hot oil, but not too hot because ayaw natin masunog agad. Beautiful, no? Sizzle. Sizzles right away. Ganda ng kapit ng ating Good Life Bread Crumbs. Ating curry. I'm just dissolving my curry. You can actually add a little bit of milk or cream here if you want. Check on our pork chops. Diba? Ganda ng katsu natin, no? Perfect. Beautiful. And yung butter natin kasi walang egg. Diba yung egg natin, yung egg yolk is fat. Mas matagal tong magstay na crispy ang ating butter, ating breading, no? So this will be so nice, crispy on the outside, and very juicy and flavorful on the inside. Kaya ito talaga, restaurant quality talaga itong gagawin natin. And our curry is almost done. Our katsu is almost done. The last thing I will add to my recipe today is my onions. I'm using white onions just to finish my curry para perfect yung aking sauce. And ito, konti na lang itong ating katsu, just trying to achieve the most beautiful golden brown crispiness of the katsu. And we're ready, guys. Ito na siya, finally. Ang ating beautiful, golden, crispy, juicy katsu. Very important, let the excess oil drip off. And I'm ready. I'll pour my curry to the plate. The curry sauce is the bed. And it's time for me to cut my katsu. And very important, use a clean chopping board. Yan. And what I do, I will put my pork over the sauce so it doesn't get soggy. Yan siya. And just a bit of garnish. And ito na siya. Dapat makatikim din ako, di ba? So crunchy, grabe oh. And slice. Tikim-tikim. Super takam na ako. Look at that. Perfectly fried. Juicy in every bite. Katsu Curry. Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simpol!